Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change your YouTube email address on your phone step by step. So this particular thing works if you want to switch to a new Gmail or update your recovery email which is linked to your YouTube account. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the option of switch accounts. So when you tap on the option of switch accounts, you will see this plus icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now after tapping on this plus icon, you will be redirected here on this page where it is going to ask you to add your email address. So here in this section you will have to add that particular email address which you want to basically change. After adding it, you just have to confirm it if it asks you to do. Then your email will be added here in your YouTube account. Now you need to go back here on your YouTube account, and this time when you tap on the option of switch account, you are going to see all of the emails that you have added over here. So you just have to tap on that particular email that you want to switch, and this way you will be able to easily change your YouTube email address on your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.